This is the great secret of life.
Chapter 13. Action. Take action. Start by opening your mind and heart. Commit yourself to daily use of tools that we provided with you in the strive to become more aware of an amazing synchronicity that's already existing in your life. Sweep away all lingering negative thoughts and emotions. Sweep away all doubt. Take action each day, every day that will move you towards your purpose and your fulfillment of your dreams. There are two kinds of action that you can take. The obvious action is we are all familiar with obvious action. Some examples of obvious action are, if you want a new car, going out and test driving all the cars you are interested in, choosing the exact model you want, saving 10% of your income for a car amount. And if you want to become a doctor, then obviously take actions, things applying to medical school, taking courses in pre-med and so on. Obviously, obvious actions are logical, somewhat predictable steps that stem from your conscious mind. The second action is inspired action. Inspired action is much linear, and it oftentimes will seem to be completely unrelated to your ultimate goals once you begin to get in touch with your higher consciousness. By using your vision book, affirmations, visualizations, daily gratitude journal, meditations, and prayer, the universe will start responding by sending you the ideas, people, opportunities, money, and other resources you need to fulfill your desires and make your dreams a reality. You are going to find that you have inspired ideas, intuitive impulses, general proddings from your dreams. You must act on them. Let your curiosity and interest guide you. This is inspired action. Inspired action is a real demonstration of your belief and positive expectations. This type of action is funneled through the subconscious mind and is inspired by your awareness and openness to the possibilities all around you. It speaks of your trust and your connection. It takes faith to move forward and with inspired action because it is far less familiar to us than obvious action. Dreams pass into a reality of action. Dreams pass into the reality of action, and from the action stems the dream again, and this is interdependent produces. And this interdependence produces the highest form of living. To dream and have reality actions, and the actions will stem the dream again. But learn to trust your deeper self. Learn to trust the process. Learn to trust God and the universe. You are co-creating with a higher power that knows more and sees more than you can ever. So be prepared to not only take the obvious logical steps, which lead you to the direction of your dreams and aspirations, but take the less obvious ones as well. Have faith, be willing to move forward, and have confidence and conviction of your desires. Knowing that the universe will support you in your efforts, take any action and simply logical extensions of your belief and your trust. If you didn't really believe something was possible, you wouldn't take any action at all. You have to believe that it's possible. The basic difference between here and the obvious action is pretty much just up to you and you alone. Whereas inspired action, using the power of your subconscious mind, believing in the co-creating with God and the universe, a combination of these two is ideal. Give it to God and be willing to do the work. Thought is the blossom, language is the bud, but action, the fruit behind it. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Remember, through the law of attraction, the universe will provide you with all you need in order to reach your goals. You will attract the necessary resources, ideas, people into your life. It's up to you to recognize, though, and it's up to you to follow through on these inspired thoughts and ideas. Everything you want is out there waiting for your asking. Everything you want also wants you, but you have to take action to get it. The universe wants you to succeed. Expect your every need to be met. Expect your answer to every problem. Expect abundance on every level. Eileen Caddy. You must also discipline enough to follow through with daily rituals that'll keep you in the state of positive vibrations that will match for the future you desire. So much commitment to take these actions each day. Make a commitment. Integrate these rituals into your daily routine. Here's some daily rituals. Number 1, begin each day by spending at least 5 minutes focusing on your mind, your desires, goals, intentions. Get comfortable. Close your eyes and visualize all the goals you desire as already being fulfilled. Already being fulfilled. Really feel the emotion that it's a reality. See your day going exactly as you would like it to. Number 2, use your tools each day. Your vision book, your gratitude journal, your gratitude token. And affirmations will also provide tangible external inspiration and positively shift your energetic field. Make a commitment to really use these tools daily and apply them in your life. Number 3, start paying attention to how often you have emotional responses each day that are not in alignment with your purpose of creating the life you desire. Don't ignore the emotional responses that are not aligned with your purpose of creating the life you desire. Whenever you become aware of this, make a shift. Make the shift quick and change your thoughts and feelings to that of a vibrational match for what you want to attract. Always change your vibrational match to what it is that you want to attract. Stay focused on the things that bring you joy and keep your expectations positive. Number 4, remember the importance of gratitude, appreciation in all the areas of your life. Make time each day to connect with God and with yourself. 5, take action every day for the alignment with your purpose, goals, and desires. Be mindful and aware. Act upon your inspired ideas and trust your emotions and intuition. Pay attention and respond to the feedback that you're getting. Make daily steps in the direction of your dreams. Acknowledge the law of attraction is working in your life. With every evidence of its effect, acknowledge and give thanks. The more you acknowledge that it's working, the more it'll work. It's that simple. Acknowledge the law of attraction that it's working in your life. Hold tight to the purpose and vision that you've created for your own future and own them with every ounce of your being. Keep all of your actions in alignment with your higher purpose. Believe in yourself. Keep your intentions pure and you'll attract an amazing, beautiful thing into your life. So, be fearless to have fun. Be willing to take few risks. Reach for the stars and know that you are supported in every way. Move forward with confidence in the direction of your dreams and desires and believe that they are not only possible, but they are already in progress. All your dreams and desires are already in progress. If you have the courage to begin, you have the courage to succeed. David Viscott.
This is the great secret of life.